everyone, it's Janelle from YarnNecklaces. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a video on the prizes I'm going to be giving to the winner of the Christmas in July Fairies giveaway. So the winner was Knitting Purple, and she actually lives in England, which is really cool. So I'm going to go through each item and show you what it is, and also if you're interested, I will leave a link in the description on possibly how to make that item. I have some YouTube tutorials on some of the things I'm sending her. And also if you would like to purchase one, I can also have some links in there to my website or my Etsy site where I sell those items. So let's go ahead and get started. The first item I'll send is the Fairy Locket. And you can open it up right here. It actually has a magnet so it stays closed. And you can change out these little pads here, and I'm going to send her 10 different colors. So we got like pretty much all the colors of the rainbow and then black and white. So she can change that out and wear it. And the thing with the Aromatherapy locket is you can put perfume or essential oils or anything else you'd like to smell while you're wearing it. Or you can just wear it just because you like the color. So I thought it'd be fun to send her the fairy one since it's Christmas in July Fairies. And the next item I'm going to send is this hair scrunchie. And this color of yarn, this is the ladder yarn, by the way, and this color is denim. And it's a very popular color. A lot of people like this one because it goes with a lot of different things. It's on a nice stretchy elastic, so if she doesn't have long hair, which I'm not sure if she does or not, she can always give it to someone who does. And I do have a video on how to crochet a hair scrunchie with ladder yarn, and I'll put a link below for that video. Also, these are available on my Etsy shop, so I'll also put a link to that too if you're interested. And I have a lot of different colors, probably like 15 different colors or so. The next item is this crochet necklace, and this is how I got started working with ladder yarn. I started making these necklaces, and it's been about, oh goodness, probably 12, 15 years ago. It's been a long time. So this necklace is just a multi-strand necklace, has 5 different strands, and then it has this bead on the top where you can pull it up and then slip it over your head and then pull it back to whatever length you want it. So you can wear it long like that, or you can pull it all the way down and it be practically a choker necklace. So pretty versatile. You can wear it with just about anything. And this color here is Splash. This is a really pretty color. I don't have this color in stock anymore, but I do have one that's similar, and that's called Waterfall. And that's on my website. And I do have a pattern for this necklace, and it's just $1, and it's on my website, and I'll put a link to that in the description. You can also buy these necklaces on my website too. I have quite a few different colors. And last but not least, we have a cute little charm crochet bracelet. And I do have a link to this video in the description. And this one's real easy. You just slip it on over your hand. Also very durable, just like the other bracelet. Just slips on like that. And then you have a little charm here. I also sell these on my website. And I have different charms you can get. And you can also get this in different colors. This color is rainbow, by the way. And I do have that one on my website. Oh, and this one is called Pink Purple, just so you know. So these are the 5 items I've decided to send to Knitting Purple for her being the winner of the Christmas in July Fairies. And I'm pretty sure she's going to enjoy them because these are definitely some of my best sellers. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.